away when a voice from heaven was heard that said, let her go and take me instead. When I should have been crucified, I should have suffered and died. Oh, I should have hung on the cross in disgrace, but Jesus, God's Son, took my place. The crown of thorns and the spear at his side, and all the pain it should have been mine. Those rusty nails were meant for me, but Christ took them and he let me go free. When I should have been crucified, oh, I should have suffered and died. Oh, I should have hung on the cross in disgrace, but Jesus, God's Son, took my place. Oh, Jesus, God's Son. Oh, Jesus, God's Son. Jesus, God's Son, took my place.
Sabat tani